There are saws, and then there's the Ion. The completely cordless battery-powered chainsaw from Sunjoe. The 16-inch Oregon cutting bar and chain come pre-mounted. That means no assembly required. Just take it out of the box, charge the EcoSharp lithium-ion battery, insert the charged battery into the Ion, push the start button, and you're ready to go. Cut this, carve that. Trim down tree limbs and overgrown branches. Get up to 40 minutes of runtime per charge. With its powerful 600-watt brushless motor, you can slice and dice logs and firewood up to 14.6 inches thick. At only 12.8 pounds, the Ion chainsaw is super lightweight and easy to handle. Do twice the work with half the effort. No gas, no oil, no fumes. No seasonal tune-ups or tangled cords to worry about. Plus, its handguard, kickback brake, and safety switch keep you safe and secure every time you cut. Ion's 16-inch Oregon chain lubricates automatically, and the oil level indicator shows you when it's time for a refill. Using the toolless chain adjustment knob, you can quickly tension the chain for longer periods of continuous cutting. Ion is ETL approved, backed by a full 2-year warranty, and boasts an ENERGY STAR certified charger. Discover a cordless tool system that makes it easy to get all your yard chores done. Ion from Sunjoe. Cut the cord.
Introducing 40-volt max outdoor equipment from DeWalt. The chainsaw is equipped with a powerful motor and a 16-inch bar that glides through a variety of cutting diameters with the cut speed of gas and provides the reliability that comes with battery-powered equipment. Tool-free tensioning system allows for quick bar and chain adjustments with no additional tools required. For optimal convenience, the unit features auto oiling with Lubricate and Lubawell, delivering smooth cuts, long chain life, and reduced maintenance compared to gas-powered chainsaws. DeWalt 40-volt max outdoor equipment, the only battery-powered lineup for landscapers that's gas performance guaranteed.
Introducing the new 40-volt max lithium-ion cordless chainsaw, part of the 40-volt max cordless family of lithium-ion battery-powered products from Black & Decker. These products kick gas. You'll appreciate the convenience of the tool-free chain tension feature for quick and easy chain adjustments during the job. Simply rotate the inner dial to unlock the bar and turn the outer dial to adjust the chain's tension for optimal cutting efficiency. This chainsaw is equipped with a premium 12-inch Oregon low kickback bar and chain running at 5 meters per second for a fast cut speed, cutting through 4x4 pine lumber on average 13% faster than Ryobi's RY 4500. The automatic oiling system eliminates priming and assures your bar and chain receive the proper lubrication. The clear window allows you to gauge the oil level. This 40-volt max chainsaw offers power, runtime, and versatility, all without the weight, noise, and hassle of gas-powered equipment. At 8.3 pounds, the chainsaw is lightweight and its full wraparound handle provides a comfortable grip in cutting applications. We've put high power in a small, compact lithium-ion battery with long life. The 40-volt max 2.0 amp-hour lithium-ion battery included with this chainsaw makes over 60 cuts in 4x4 pine lumber on average per single charge, resulting in 58% more cuts than the Ryobi RY 4500. The 40-volt max lithium-ion cordless chainsaw from Black & Decker.
Cut your yard chores down to size while you cut back on gas with the Sunjoe 12-inch electric chainsaw from Sunjoe. Rip through logs and limbs quickly and easily by pushing a button and squeezing the trigger. And watch its powerful 9-amp motor slice through brush, tree limbs, and unwanted branches up to 9 inches thick. Lightweight yet powerful, Saw Joe makes it easy to tackle through yard tasks with maximum maneuverability. And Saw Joe is virtually maintenance-free, with no need for gas or tune-ups. Just plug it in and go to work. Quickly cut a cord of wood, collect a load of logs, or prune a pine tree. The Oregon 12-inch cutting bar and chain lubricates automatically for longer periods of continuous cutting. And an oil level indicator window lets you know when it's ready for a refill. Saw Joe's built-in safety switch keeps you safe by preventing accidental starts. And an extension cord hook ensures uninterrupted operation when you're really in the thick of things. ETL approved and backed by a full 2-year warranty, Saw Joe is the reliable tool you can depend on season after season. Reclaim your yard with the chainsaw that's a cut above the competition. And go with Joe, the Saw Joe. SWJ698E 12-inch 9-amp electric chainsaw from Joe. Get equipped.
The DeWalt FlexVolt 60V Max chainsaw has a powerful and efficient brushless motor, delivering gas performance with runtime of up to 70 cuts per charge on a 6x6. The low kickback 16-inch Oregon bar and chain has auto oiling for continuous lubrication and a tool-free tensioning system for quick bar and chain adjustments. DeWalt FlexVolt batteries automatically change voltage when you change tools, working with 20V Max tools and chargers, and providing longer runtime when used with 20V Max tools. It starts with the pull of the trigger, eliminating the cold starts and carburetor issues that can come with gas-powered chainsaws. DeWalt FlexVolt, power without gas.